And welcome back to the Room Off YouTube channel. And today, I'm doing a little painting here on the room. And I thought we might have been done with this. I thought the project could have been postponed for a while. But when the boss lady says do something, you do it. So, we'll get to painting. Y'all stick around and see what we can get into. Oh, it's getting filled in. Are you the hole filler upper?
I am. The best we can, though.
Yeah. Working with what we got. Hey, you remember when we used to live over there?
Yeah. Ask me if I miss that place.
We sure moved a long way. You agree?
I agree.
The touching up and the touching down, whatever you want to say about it. Because generally, she's going to touch it. And I've done the crawling around in the floor to get that along the bottom. But you see, I missed a little spot right there. I don't know how I missed that, but okay. And these walls are definitely going to need 2 or 3 coats.
This brush.
Because right now it looks like half dry concrete.
Shut up. This brush isn't good.
The brush is no good. Have we acquired another brush?
Yeah. Go ahead.
This paint, now I showed you the last color paint. This is blue, gray, sky. So that
Yeah, you don't have much choice at the Walmart.
Blue, gray, sky.
Which we didn't have to paint as much in this room as it wouldn't have been bad.
Sky. Is that like a blue sky, but it's going to storm? Y'all let me know.
The things that Daddy does for his girls.
Ain't no easy task. There's when you're fat as a water buffalo.
Oh, gosh.
That is a tick in a blood bank.
Just think, 2 months ago, there ain't no way you was able to do this.
No. That is the truth.
Roll that paint on thick, Daddy.
Oh, yeah. thick. All right. We made us a trip to the Wally World, and Mama got us something for the channel. Let me show you. Got us a tripod. One big on. Big on. Big on. Big on tripod. So, we thank Mama for that. We'll get many uses out of that. That's just another reason why I need to make more videos. Yeah. Who is that? So, it's confession time. It's been like a week since the last time I talked to y'all. We finished up, well, kind of somewhat finished up the baby's room and got her all painted up. And, I kind of got off carrying other things and tied up at working, but I got a free day today. And back there on the other house, up there, is our front porch. The other house that we lived in over there. Yep, well, actually, there's the old house. There's a front porch with a roof over there. So they're gonna deconstruct it and move it over here. This is a whole lot like work.